Microwave Food Dryer Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global microwave food dryer market size will be $1,325.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 8.6% from 2024 to 2031. North America microwave food dryer market size of $530.20 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.8% from 2024 to 2031. Europe microwave food dryer market size of $397.65 million. Asia Pacific microwave food dryer market size of $304.87 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10.6% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America microwave food dryer market size of $66.28 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa microwave food dryer market size of $26.51 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8.3% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.